Is your water heater making strange noises?
Does it take longer for your water to get hot?
Don't want to call a plumber? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bad element in your water heater. Make sure and turn the breaker off to the water heater first, because if you don't, it'll ruin the elements. Before you buy an element, make sure and check the volts and the wattage. So I'm going to replace the lower element, which is 200. So you need one that's 240 volts and 4,500 watts. So that's what I have here. Undo the wiring. Now just install the wires back the way they were. And put your cover back on. You can no longer hear the water heater filling up. Go ahead and turn your breaker back on. Then you should have hot water in roughly an hour. That would have cost me over $300 to have a plumber come out. And that element cost me roughly $20. That's being savvy.